Hello, my name is Elizabeth Schneider, and this is my biology role model project on Yasuko Rikihisha. Who is Yasuko Rikihisha? She earned her master's and PhD at the University of Tokyo in 1977 and completed her postdoctoral at Harvard Medical School from 1977 to 1981. She then worked as an assistant professor at Virginia Maryland College of Veterinary Medicine from 1981 to 1986. She currently works at Ohio State University and started out as an assistant professor but is now a full-fledged professor. She works in veterinary medicine and microbiology, specifically in tick-borne diseases and vector-borne diseases. Some notable achievements is she was awarded the International Prize for Canine Health from the Kennel Club due to the development of a diagnostic test to identify canine typhus. This helps improve the outcomes of the diagnosis and how this can be prevented of spreading to other canines. This same technique was also awarded Ohio State's Innovator of the Year in 2011. She was also elected to National Academy of Sciences in 2012 in the field of animal nutritional and applied microbial sciences. She was also fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science since 2005. Current research. A lot of her current research involves irrelicinal outer membrane proteins and parasitism and the identification and characteristics of this tick-borne disease. A lot of it is composed of how they are identified and how their growth can be mitigated so they can affect their, not really victims, but those that they have infected less, and the disease progresses slower within bodies and can potentially be eliminated. A notable publication involves genomic insertions of different mutations that isolate antibiotic selection. These mutated parts that were inserted into the genome help to reduce the growth of this bacteria that is responsible for in vitro infection, and how they can reduce the growth to help those that are infected live longer, happier lives. This was tested on mice, and the different points of which in the genome are mapped in parts B, which shows the location of genomic insertion sites. How I identify with Yasuko Rikihisha. This scientist works in veterinary medicine and how to prevent a lot of canine tick diseases. And while I do love dogs, I am very interested in working in veterinary medicine, which goes with the love of dogs, and how to prevent diseases in those animals. I'm not particularly interested in the microbiology aspect, but I am interested in helping to improve the lives of other animals and their fellow humans. Here are my resources.